Welcome to the Stat-Tree video help module for Command Prompt Kernel Restart. To run tests on your data in Python, you may need to restart the kernel, such as after installing a new package. This can be accomplished with a simple command at the Python prompt in Spyder. In the Python terminal in Spyder, press the Command and period keys simultaneously on the keyboard in Mac OS X, or Control and period keys simultaneously on the keyboard in Windows. A dialog box will appear asking if you wish to restart the kernel. Click on Yes. This will start a new Python terminal. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors if the kernel cannot be restarted. Typically, a new prompt will display. The kernel is now ready to accept new commands or run new scripts.